Today, Value is bringing more innovations to your work. Hi Value app. Smart IoT brings you a professional and streamlined work experience. Integrates multiple functions, covering all job site scenarios. With our IoT ecosystem, all devices are accessible through one app. One-click Bluetooth pairing. Supports multiple device connections simultaneously. Configure settings on your phone, and the device responds instantly. Data is synchronized in real time, enabling remote operations and multi-point coordination. During the refrigerant charging process, the system issues real-time alerts to ensure precise charging. During the operation of smart measuring devices, data is automatically collected and instantly converted into visual reports. Once the task is completed, the system automatically generates a job report. One-click data downloading and sharing, real-time feedback. Zero barriers between you and your clients. Value Smart Knowledge Hub, one-stop improvement for tools and skills. Smarter future, smarter work. Value, making your job more enjoyable.